Now we will discuss about the geometric progression, that is GP. A sequence is said to be a geometric progression if the ratio of consecutive terms is a constant, then the constant factor is called common ratio. Let A equal to first term and R equal to common ratio, then the sequence AR square and so on are in GP. In the geometric progression, nth term is A into R to the power of n minus 1 and sum of n terms Sn that equal to A plus AR plus AR square plus and so on plus A into R to the power of n minus 1 that equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1. Here R is not equal to 1. And the nth term from the last equal to L by R to the power of n minus 1. Here L equal to last term. If T1, T2, T3, and so on, Tn minus 1, Tn are in geometric progression, then T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2 equal to and so on equal to Tn minus 1 by Tn minus 2 equal to Tn by Tn minus 1. That implies from these two we get T1 into Tn that equal to T2 into Tn minus 1 that equal to, from these two, T3 into Tn minus 2 that equal to and so on. Note, if x1, x2, x3 and so on xn are in geometric progression, then kx1, kx2, and so on kxn are also in GP. Here k not equal to 0. Second one, if x1, x2 and so on xn and y1, y2, y3 and so on yn are two geometric progressions, then x1 into y1, x2 into y2, x3 into y3 and so on xn into yn are in geometric progression, and x1 by y1, x2 by y2, x3 by y3 and so on xn by yn are in GP. In the first point, the ratio of consecutive terms is the same, so the sequence is in GP. In the second point also, the ratio of consecutive terms is the same, so because of that one, this sequence is also in GP. Third point is, if x1, x2, and so on xn are in geometric progression, then log x1, log x2, log x3 and so on log xn are in arithmetic progression. Here x1, x2, x3 and so on xn are greater than 0. Fourth point is, in a GP, a equal to first term, r equal to common ratio, then nth term Tn equal to a into r power n minus 1 and sum of n terms Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1, r is not equal to 1 and S infinity sum of infinite terms that equal to a by 1 minus r. This is exist only modulus of r is less than 1. Fifth one, if modulus of r is less than 1, then a plus ar plus ar square plus and so on to infinity that equal to a by 1 minus r. 1 minus r whole to the power of minus 1 equal to 1 plus r square plus and so on to infinity 1 minus r whole to the power of minus 2 equal to 1 plus 2r plus 3r square plus and so on to plus n plus 1 into r power n plus and so on to infinity. 1 minus r whole power minus 1 can be represented in the sigma notation n equal to 0 to infinity r to the power of n. 1 minus r whole power minus 2 in the sigma representation, that is sigma n plus 1 into r power n are equal to 0 to infinity. Sixth one, standard result, that is 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus and so on plus 111 and so on 1 n times, that equal to 1 by 9 into 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus and so on plus 999 and so on 9. 9 is repeated here n times, that equal to 1 by 9 into 10 minus 1 plus 10 square minus 1 plus 10 power 3 minus 1 plus and so on plus 10 to the power of n minus 1, that equal to 1 by 9 into 10 plus 10 square plus 10 power 3 plus and so on plus 10 to the power of n minus n, that equal to 1 by 9 into 10 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 by 10 minus 1, that is 9 minus n, that equal to 10 by 81 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus n by 9. Seventh one is, if a comma b comma c are in geometric progression, then that implies and implied by b square equal to ac. Eighth one, if ab is greater than 0, then the geometric mean of a comma b is root of ab. If ab is less than 0, then the geometric mean of a and b does not exist. Ninth one, the geometric mean of n numbers a1, a2, a3 and so on an is a1 into a2 into a3 and so on into an whole to the power of 1 by n. So clearly arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. That implies a1 plus a2 plus and so on plus an divided by n greater than or equal to a1 into a2 into a3 and so on an whole to the power of 1 by n. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. If a1 equal to a2 equal to and so on an, in this case arithmetic mean equal to geometric mean. 11th one. If x comma y comma z are in GP, that implies log x, log y, log z are in AP. That implies 1 place log x, 1 place log y, 1 place log z are in AP. That implies 1 by 1 place log x, 1 by 1 place log y, 1 by 1 place log z are in harmonic progression. If capital A comma G are arithmetic mean and geometric mean between A and B respectively, then the quadratic equation having roots a comma b is x square minus 2ax plus g square equal to 0, and the roots are capital A plus or minus square root of a square minus g square. Explanation. The quadratic equation having roots a comma b is x square minus of a plus b into x plus ab equal to 0. Now given capital A is equals to arithmetic mean of a comma b that equal to a plus b by 2, capital G equal to geometric mean of a and b that equal to root of ab. Therefore, the quadratic equation in terms of capital A comma G is x square minus 2a into x plus g square equal to 0. That implies the roots are a plus or minus square root of a square minus g square, that is one root is given small a that equal to a plus square root of a square minus g square, another root small b that equal to a minus square root of a square minus g square. Now new concept is inserting n GMs between a and b. Let G1 comma G2 comma G3 and so on Gn are n GMs inserted between A and B. That implies the sequence A comma G1 comma G2 G3 comma and so on Gn comma B are in geometric progression. That implies the first term T1 equal to A, T2 that equal to G1, T3 that equal to G2 and so on, n plus 1th term that equal to Gn, n plus 2th term that equal to B. Let small r equal to common ratio, therefore G1 that equal to A into R, G2 equal to A into R square, G3 equal to A into R power 3 and so on. Gn equal to A into R power n and B equal to A into R power n plus 1. That implies R power n plus 1 that equal to B by A. That implies R equal to B by A whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1. Now, the product of n inserted GMs, that is G1 into G2 into G3 into and so on into Gn, that equal to AR into AR square into AR power 3 into and so on into A into R power n, that equal to A power n into R to the power of n into n plus 1 divided by 2, that equal to A power n into R power n plus 1 is B by A whole to the power of n by 2, that equal to A to the power of n into B to the power of n by 2 divided by A to the power of n by 2, that equal to root of AB whole to the power of n. Here AB is greater than 0. Therefore, G1 into G2 into and so on Gn, that equal to root of AB whole to the power of n, that is equal to geometric mean of A comma B whole to the power of n. And another point is G1 into Gn, that equal to G2 into Gn minus 2, that equal to and so on equal to AB. Note, choosing the terms in GP with the different cases. Number of terms, choosing terms, common ratio. Here number of terms are 3. Choose the terms in GP are A by R, AR, common ratio R. If the number of terms are 4, choosing the terms are A by R cube, A by R, AR cube, common ratio R square. If the number of terms are 5, the choosing terms are A by R square, A by R, AR square, the common ratio R. Harmonic progression HP. A sequence A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN of non-zero numbers is called harmonic progression if 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3 and so on 1 by AN are in arithmetic progression. That implies 1 by AN equal to 1 by A1 plus n minus 1 into D, where D is common difference of the AP. Note 1. The sequence A plus D, A plus 2D and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D are in arithmetic progression. That implies 1 by A, 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D and so on 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D are in harmonic progression. Second one, the harmonic mean of a comma b that equal to 2 by 1 by a plus 1 by b that equal to 2ab by a plus b. The harmonic mean of a b c that equal to 3 divided by 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. The harmonic mean of n numbers a1, a2 and so on an that equal to n divided by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus and so on plus 1 by an. Now discuss about the relation between am, gm and hm, that is arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Let capital E comma capital G comma capital H are arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean between two positive numbers a comma b. Then in this one, first one is a equal to a plus b by 2, that is arithmetic mean. G equal to root of ab, geometric mean. Harmonic mean that equal to 2 by 1 by a plus 1 by b that equal to 2ab by a plus b. Second one is arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to, geometric mean is greater than or equal to harmonic mean. Third one is g square equal to ah, that is a comma g comma h are in gp. Second point is if capital A comma G comma H are arithmetic mean comma geometric mean and harmonic mean between small a comma small b comma small c respectively, then the cubic equation having roots small a, small b, small c is x power 3 minus 3a into x square plus 3g power 3 by h into x minus g power 3 equal to 0. Explanation. Given capital A equal to a plus b plus c by 3, g equal to cube root of a b c and h equal to 3 by 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. That implies a plus b plus c equal to 3a, a b c equal to g power 3, ab plus bc plus ca that equal to 3 into g power 3 by h. Therefore, the cubic equation having roots a, b, c is x power 3 minus of a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x minus abc equal to 0. That implies x power 3 minus 3a into x square plus 3g power 3 by h into x minus g power 3 equal to 0.